Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I would like to read an article entitled International Convention on Maritime Liens and Mortgages. The states parties to these conventions conscious of the need to improve conditions for ship financing and the development of national merchant fleets, recognizing the desirability of the national uniformity in the field of maritime liens and mortgage, and therefore convinced of the necessity for international legal instruments governing maritime liens and mortgage, have decided to conclude a convention for the purpose and have therefore agreed as follows. Article 1. Recognitions and enforcement of mortgage, hypothecaries, and charge. Mortgage, hypothecaries, and registerable charge of the same nature, which registerably charge of the same nature will be referred to hereinafter as charge affected on seagoing vessels, shall be recognized and enforceable in states parties provided that a. Such mortgage, hypothecaries, and charge have been effected and registered in accordance with the law of the state in which the vessel is registered. B. The register of any instrument required to be deposited with the register in the accordance with the law of the state in which the vessel is registered are open to public inspection, and that extract from the register and copies of such instrument are obtainable from the register. And C. Either the register of any instrument referred to in subparagraph B specify at least the name and address of the person in whose favor the mortgage, hypothec, or charge has been affected, that it has been issued to be bearer the maximum amount secured. If there is requirement of the law of the state of registration, or if the amount is specified in the instrument creating the mortgage, hypothec, or charge, and the date and other particular which, according to the law of the state of registration, determine the ranking in relation to other registered mortgage, hypothecaries, and charge. Article 2. Ranking and effect of mortgage, hypothecaries, and charge. The ranking of the registered mortgage, hypothecaries are charged as between themselves and without prejudice to the provisions of this convention. Their effect in regard to third parties shall be determined of the law of the state of registration. However, without prejudice to the provisions of these conventions, all matters relating to the procedure of enforcement shall be regulated by the law of the state where enforcement takes place. Article 3. Change of ownership of registration. With the exceptions of the cases provided for in Article 11 and 12, in all other cases that entail the deregistration of the vessel from the register of a state party, such state party shall not permit the owner to deregister the vessel unless all registered mortgage, hypothecaries, or charge are previously deleted to or to written consequent of all holders of such mortgage, hypothecaries, or vessel is obtained, however, wherein the registration of the vessel is obligatory in accordance with the law of a state party. Otherwise, then, as a result of a voluntary sale, the holders of registered mortgage, hypothecaries, or charge shall be notified of the pending deregistrations in order to enable such holder to take appropriate action to protect their interests. Unless the holder consent, the deregistration shall not be implemented earlier than other a lapse of a reasonable period of time which shall be not less than 3 months after the relevant notification to such holders. 2. Without prejudice to Article 12, Paragraph 5, a vessel which is or has been registered in state party shall not be eligible for registration in another state party unless either a certificate has been issued by the former state to the effect that the vessel has been deregistered, or b. a certificate has been issued by the former state to the effect that the vessel will be deregistered with the immediate effect. At such time as the new registration is effected, the date of the registration shall be the date of the new registrations of the vessel. Article 4. Maritime Liens. 1. Each of the following claims against the owner, administrator, manager, or operator of the vessel shall be secured by a maritime lien on a vessel. A. Claims for wages and other sums due to the master, officers, and other members of the vessel, complement in respect of their employment on the vessel, including costs of repatriation and social insurance contribution payable on their behalf. B. Claims in respect of loss of life or personal injury occurring whether on land or on water in direct connection with the operations of the vessel. C. Claims for reward for the salvage for the vessel. D. Claims for port, canal, and other waterway dues and pilotage dues. E. Claims based on tort arising out of physical loss or damage caused by the operation of the vessel other than loss of the damage to cargo, containers, and passenger effect carried on the vessel. 2. No maritime lien shall attach to a vessel secure claims as set out in subparagraphs B and E or paragraph 1 which arise out of or result from a. Damage in connection with the carriage of oil or other hazardous or noxious substance by sea for which compensations is payable to the claimants pursuant to the International Convention or national law providing for strict liability and compulsory insurance or other means of securing the claims, or B. Radioactive properties or a combination of radioactive properties with toxic, explosive, or other hazardous properties of nuclear fuel or of radioactive products or waste. Article 5. Priority of maritime liens. The maritime lien set out Article 4 shall take priority over the registered mortgage, hypotheque, and charge, and no one other claim shall take priority over such maritime liens or over such mortgage, hypotheques, or charges which comply with the requirement of Article 1 except as provided in paragraph 3 and 4 of Article 12. 2. The maritime lien set out in Article 4 shall rank in the order listed, provided, however, that maritime lien securing claim for reward for the salvage of the vessel shall take priority over all other maritime liens. 3. The maritime lien set out in each of subparagraphs A, B, D, and E of paragraph 1 of Article 4 shall rank pari passu as between themselves. The maritime lien securing claims for reward for the salvage of the vessel shall rank the inverse order of the time of claimant secure thereby accrued. Such claims shall be deemed to have accrued on the date of which each salvage operation was determined. So the time is up and the article will be continue to read in the next part. Bye bye, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.